Hello everyone! Welcome to another Q&A about life insurance and investment. Hello Ate Sara, balita ko, may nilabas na bagong plan si PruLife UK na may guaranteed payouts. Yes po, may dalawang plan si PruLife UK na kaka-launch lang. Ang tawag dito ay Pru Lifetime Income at Pru Steady Income. Paano ba ito nagwo-work? Ang Pru Lifetime Income ay may dalawang variant. Pwede mo siyang bayaran for 5 or 10 years. Starting on the 6th year, guaranteed na may matatanggap ka taon-taon na payout from PruLife UK. For example, gusto mo ng 100,000 na annual payout sa PruLife UK, pwede mo yan i-secure through Pru Lifetime Income. Ito, para kang may 13th month pay kahit hindi ka na nag-work. Aside from the guaranteed payout until age 100, kasama din sa plan ang 200% na sum assured na pwede mong ipamana sa mga beneficiaries mo. Ano naman ang Pru Steady Income? So, same lang to ng idea. Mayroon ding guaranteed payout. But, unlike dito sa Pru Lifetime Income na mag-i-start on the 6th year, ang Pru Steady Income mag-start ang payout on the 11th year. But take note, on the 20th year of the plan, ibabalik sa'yo ni PruLife UK ang buong sum assured. So, for example, may 1 million ka na sum assured. Ibabalik yun sa'yo ni PruLife UK. So, Ate Sara, ano po ba ang mas bagay sa akin? Kung gusto mong makasiguro na makatatanggap ka ng guaranteed payouts for life as early as 6th year, then go for the Pru Lifetime Income. But, if you are confident enough na mag-grow pa ang wealth mo for the next 10 years, then go for the Pru Steady Income. Talk to your trusted financial consultant, guys. Let's maximize this era of guaranteed payouts offered by PruLife UK. And kung wala ka pang kausap, don't worry. Andito lang si Ate Sara. I will guide you all the way in getting the plan. Again, I'm Sara Marie Lacap, your financial consultant at your service.